IIM Rohtak is now the largest amongst the second and third generation IIMs in the country. IIM Rohtak continues to offer diverse programs aside from its flagship programs of MBA and PhD. One of our most important programs which we launched is Postgraduate Diploma in Sports Management. This program is primarily an interdisciplinary program which looks at the dimensions of sports management from the eyes of sports infrastructure management, managing large-scale events, sports finance, sporting law, sports marketing, sports branding, how to manage operations of a sporting event, and finally, how should one develop into an excellent sporting coach, among other things. This program is a combination of online and offline. Students are expected to be on campus 3 to 4 times in a year, and remaining classes are conducted online on the weekends. This is a program which leverages on the blended learning, which is supposed to offer optimal level of education for individuals who are working professionals. We expect that our forthcoming batches are as good as our current ones. Our first batch had nearly half of its participants from sporting backgrounds already working in the domain of sports management and wanting to leverage on the learnings from this program to take them to the next level. We also have a diverse group of people from other industries who wish to get into this large and ever-growing sports industry. Today, India has many sporting leagues. We have the most successful sporting cricket league. We have an excellent kabaddi league. We also have a growing league in badminton, in soccer, and in many other sports. All of these leagues are going to require professionals. These professionals are the ones who are trained to offer value to these sports management companies. Finally, it is extremely important for us not just to look at the sporting leagues, but also sports federations. Each sport in India has a federation, and all the federations also require professionals with astute knowledge of sports management to leverage. India will become the sporting giant in the next decade, and for it to become a sporting giant, we require sports management professionals. IIM Rohtak in the state of Haryana, which continues to offer largest numbers of medal tallies across different sports, is called the Sports Bhumi of India. IIM Rohtak offers this program to all the citizens of India to become sports management professionals or contribute directly or indirectly to the domain of sports management to a country. I invite all of you to look into this program and see the details of this program on our website. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.